Hi everyone! Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make public profile on Snapchat. Going public is a great chance if you want to gain more followers or get more content views. When you make a public profile, all your stories and content will be discoverable by other users, whether or not you are already friends. The public profile lets other Snapchat users find and subscribe to your account. Okay, first I'm going to open Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. On your Snapchat profile page, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. When you are on the settings page, scroll down to the privacy control section. And before making your account public, set the Everyone option for Contact Me, Send Me notifications, and View My Story. Also, tap on See Me in a quick ad, then turn this on option. It will be useful when your public account grows up. And for making your account public, go to your main account Snapchat page, then scroll down to the Spotlight and Snap Map section and tap on the three horizontal dots next to the Add to Spotlight. Select Create Public Profile from the drop-down menu at the bottom. You will see a page describing public profile. Tap on the Continue button at the bottom or swipe to the next page. Then tap Get Started at the bottom. Now tap on Create from the confirmation pop-up. It takes some time to create. Alright, now you can access your public profile under the Public Profile section. To open it, tap My Public Profile. And this is what my public profile looks like. Now other Snapchat users can find and view my content and then subscribe if they want. Also, you can add a cover photo or edit your profile. And bio by tapping the Tap to Add Bio field. If you want, you can add your location details and turn on subscriber count to display your subscribers count on your profile. This is how to make public profile on Snapchat. If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up. If you want to get more helpful videos, subscribe to Mobile Pro channel. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.